In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change theme colors in Microsoft PowerPoint. Let's get started by opening the PowerPoint presentation where you want to adjust the colors. You can use an existing file or create a new blank presentation if you just want to practice. Once your presentation is open, make sure you're on the Home tab or the Design tab so that all the relevant options are easy to access. To work with theme colors, you'll want to go to the Design tab on the ribbon at the top of the window. This is where PowerPoint keeps all the tools related to the overall look and feel of your slides. On the Design tab, look for the section called Variants. Depending on your version of PowerPoint and the template you're using, you might see a few colored thumbnails that represent different style variations of your current theme. In the Variants section, click the small drop-down arrow, usually found in the lower right corner of that group. When you click it, you'll see options for colors, fonts, effects, and sometimes background styles. For changing theme colors, hover over or click on Colors. This will open a list of built-in color palettes, each with a name, such as Office, Blue-Green, or Grayscale. As you move your mouse over each color set in the list, PowerPoint gives you a live preview on your slides. This means you can see how your background, shapes, charts, and text colors will update before you actually select a theme. Take a moment to hover over a few options and watch how your slide design changes. When you find a color combination that matches the tone you're going for, click that option to apply it to the entire presentation. If you want even more control, you can create your own custom theme colors. To do this, go back to the Same Colors menu and choose the option that lets you customize or create new theme colors. A dialog box will appear showing all the different color roles, like accent colors, hyperlink, and background. Click on each color box to choose a new shade. You can pick from standard colors, use the color picker, or enter specific color values if you're following brand guidelines. Once you're happy with your custom palette, give it a clear name so you can recognize it later, and then save it. PowerPoint will now store this color set for future presentations, making it easy to keep your slides consistent and on brand. After applying your new theme colors, quickly scan a few slides to confirm that text remains readable and that important elements still stand out. That's all you need to change theme colors in Microsoft PowerPoint, and tailor your presentation to exactly the look you want.